student, today we are going to learn English in assignment. Our topic is circle the first letter of the given pictures. Here is given some picture. We have to circle it correct letter. Which picture of this? This is nurse and for nurse. So we have to circle it and this letter is B. This letter is N. So we have to circle N. This letter is P. Which picture of these? This is pumpkin. P for pumpkin. So we have to circle it P. This is C. This is P. So we have to circle P letter. This is G letter. See the next picture. Which picture of this? Jacket. J for jacket. So we have to circle it J. This letter is L. This letter is V. This letter is J. So we have to circle it. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is monkey. M for monkey. So we have to circle it M. This letter is N. This letter is M. So we have to circle it M. This letter is Y. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is leaf. L for leaf. So we have to circle it L. This letter is Z. This letter is S. This letter is L. So we have to circle it L. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is cattle. K for cattle. So we have to circle it K. This letter is D. This letter is F. This letter is K. So we have to circle it K. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This picture is quill. So we have to circle Q for quill. So we have to circle it Q. This letter is Q. So we have to circle it Q. This letter is T. This letter is Y. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is ant. A for ant. So we have to circle it A letter. This letter is A. So we have to circle it A. This letter is R. This letter is Y. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is fan. F for fan. So we have to circle it F. This letter is M. This letter is F. So we have to circle it F. This letter is B. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is house. H for house. So we have to circle it H. This letter is K. This letter is H. So we have to circle it H. This letter is Z. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is ear. E for ear. So we have to circle it E. This letter is T. This letter is O. This letter is E. So we have to circle it E. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is drum. D for drum. So we have to circle it D. This letter is D. So we have to circle it D. This letter is U. This letter is G. See the next picture. Which picture of this? Cat. This is cat. C for cat. So we have to circle it C. This letter is C. So we have to circle it C. This letter is B. This letter is K. See the next picture. Which picture of this? This is butterfly. B for butterfly. So we have to circle it B. This letter is H. This letter is E. This letter is B. So we have to circle it B. See the next exercise. Write A to Z. We have to write here capital cursive letter A to Z. First letter in A. We have to write B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Like this, student, you have to speak and write alphabet A to Z. See the next exercise. Write A to Z. So student, we have to write here small cursive letter A to Z. See the first letter cursive, small cursive A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So student, you have to speak and write small cursive letter A to Z. See the next exercise. Write the name of body parts. First picture is eyes. So we have to write here eyes. E, Y, E, S, eyes. Next picture is nose. So we have to write here nose. N, O, S, E, nose. Next picture is ear. So we have to write here ear. E, A, R, ear. Leg. So we have to write here leg. L, E, G, leg. Next picture is lip. So we have to write here lip. L, I, P, lip. Next picture is hair. So we have to write here hair. H, A, I, R, hair. Next picture is nail. So we have to write here nail. N, A, I, L, nail. Next picture is knee. So we have to write here knee. K, N, E, E, knee. Next picture is hand. So we have to write here hand. H, A, N, D, hand. Next picture is teeth. So we have to write here teeth. T, E, E, T, H, teeth. See the next exercise. Write the name of given pictures. Here is given some picture. We have to write their name. See the first picture. Which picture of this? Bus. So we have to write here bus. next picture, which picture of this? Cup. So we have to write here cup, C-U-P, cup. Which picture of this? Sun. So we have to write here sun, S-U-N, sun. Which picture of this? Fox. So we have to write here fox, F-O-X, fox. Which picture of this? Mop. So we have to write here mop, M-O-P, mop. See the next picture. Which picture of this? Pen. So we have to write here pen, P-E-N, pen. Which picture of this? Bag. So we have to write here bag, B-A-G, bag. Which picture of this? Cap. So we have to write here cap, C-A-P, cap. Which picture of this? Pin. So we have to write here pin, P-I-N, pin. Which picture of this? Bat. So we have to write here bat, B-A-T, bat. See the next picture. Which picture of this? Box. So we have to write here box, B-O-X, box. Which picture of this? Dog. So we have to write here dog, D-O-G, dog. Which picture of this? Cat. So we have to write here cat, C-A-T, cat. Which picture of this? Toy. So we have to write here toy, T-O-Y, toy. Which picture of this? Hat. So we have to write here hat, H-A-T, hat. Like this, student, you have to complete in English assignment. Bye.